Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to quickly disable your Toyota Highlander's alarm. The fastest way to silence an active alarm is to simply press the unlock button on your key fob. If that doesn't work, try inserting your mechanical key into the driver's side door and turning it. Another effective method is to get inside your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position or start the engine. The alarm should deactivate within a few seconds. For standard deactivation, your primary tool is often your key fob. Pressing the unlock button once or twice should disarm the system. If the fob isn't working, manually unlock the driver's door with your physical key. For vehicles with a smart key system, simply entering the vehicle and turning the engine switch to accessory or on mode will also stop the alarm after a brief moment. If your Highlander's alarm keeps going off unexpectedly, a common culprit is a faulty hood latch sensor. This switch can get dirty or corroded, sending false signals. Also, a dying 12-volt car battery or a low-key fob battery can cause the alarm to trigger randomly. Ensure all door sensors are clean and functioning correctly, as these also monitor for unauthorized entry. For persistent alarm issues, you might need more advanced solutions. Try disconnecting your vehicle's main 12-volt battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the car's computer system. If the hood latch switch is confirmed faulty, cleaning it with a suitable lubricant or temporarily bypassing it can resolve the problem. For any complex or recurring electrical issues, it is always best to consult a certified Toyota technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.